Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mobile marketing with AdMob, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding what AdMob is and how it can enhance your mobile marketing strategy. Visit the AdMob website to create an account if you haven't already. Log into your Google account or set up a new one.
Once you're logged in, click on the Get Started button to initiate your AdMob setup.
Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides key metrics and performance indicators. Next, you'll want to create a new ad campaign.
Click on the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign. Choose your campaign type based on your marketing goals, such as app installs or in-app engagement.
Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and geographic locations.
Set your budget and bidding strategy to control how much you want to spend.
Explore different ad formats AdMob offers, including banner, interstitial, and rewarded ads.
Select the ad format that aligns best with your marketing objectives. Design your ads with eye-catching visuals and compelling copy that resonates with your audience.
Upload your creative assets and ensure they meet AdMob's guidelines. Review your campaign settings and double-check all details before launching. Once satisfied, click the Submit button to activate your campaign.
Monitor your campaign's performance through the AdMob dashboard regularly.
Analyze key metrics such as clicks, impressions, and conversion rates.
Make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign based on performance data. Test different ad creatives and targeting options to find the best performing combinations.
Consider setting up A/B tests to further refine your approach.
Engage with your audience through relevant and timely ads to improve user retention. After gathering sufficient data, compile reports to evaluate the overall impact of your campaign.
Use insights gained from your reports to inform future marketing strategies. Stay updated with AdMob's new features and trends in mobile marketing. Continuous learning and adaptation will ensure your mobile marketing efforts remain effective.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.